Brothers Plumbing, Heating and Electric is a full residential service company. We provide plumbing services to our customers, also heating and cooling services, drain cleaning, excavation services, and sprinkler work. We schedule our appointments in 2-hour windows. We call before we come so our customers don't have to wait around for us. When our technician arrives, they're drug tested, background checked, and professionally trained. They arrive in uniform. Our technicians arrive with 98.5% of the materials needed to do most service repairs, so they don't have to waste time going to get parts and wasting the customer's time running around town. When Brothers comes out to your home, you don't have to worry about our technicians leaving a mess. Our technicians wear shoe covers. We also use workspace carpets to make sure that your home is cleaner than when we found it. We offer 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So we say happy today or you don't pay. It's really important to us that we satisfy the customers. We do the job right the first time. We're always prompt, always professional, always reliable. And I think that sets us apart from our competitors and the stereotypical